Should have put my harness on.
Do you need your sunglasses? classes?
No, I don't think so. We'll be in the shade most of the time. Yeah, this is where I like to go. Path goes all the way around.
We've been here plenty of times.
Yeah, but you've never walked it.
I did that one time. Remember, we brought my mom here.
Okay. Yeah, how far did we go?
Well, we went down some hills and stuff, so I don't know.
Yeah, well, that means when they're closed. Okay, so see that number 10? That's for hole number 10. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Now there's a lake over here, or pond. I'll take you over and show you this throne that I found. It's funny as shit. And here's the tee off for number 10. And there's the hole. So if you go by the green one, or the green tee right here, that's the white one. 186 feet to the next one, which is way down there. If you go by the yellow one, it's 468 feet, and that's somewhere over there. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't gone to that. Okay? Now, the hole is down there. The disc catcher is down there, but I'm going to show you where the throne is. Rah. Hey, you. No, you're good. Now, we can go up there, it's a gradual slope, or you can take this, tackle that. What do you want to do?
Well, it don't matter.
I always go this way. And you can go first in case you need me, I'll push you.
I'll be fine.
Take your time, go slow. You can go that way if you want. Go that way, it's not as steep. How'd you do? Yeah, I like this park.
Yeah.
Now here's a tee. I don't know if this is the yellow one. That has a white outline, so I really don't know.
Yeah. So they gotta throw the frisbee to this? Is that what the...
No, this is where you start your frisbee throw.
Oh.
Now whether you go that way and then go around, or if you try to go through the trees.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is the white one or the yellow one.
Probably white with the...
The other one doesn't have a yellow marking on it. Not that I noticed,
I didn't either.
but by the looks of what the thing was, the yellow.
Guess we're going down this way?
You want to go another way?
Yeah. Over here.
Oh no, this is the first time I've been here, so.
Oh, okay.
We'll make a left here.
Okay.
How you feeling?
All right.
I was gonna go to the right and let you see that one that I had to climb up. She had her earbuds in listening to music. Let's go over here and talk to these dudes. What's up, fellas? Disc golf, huh?
Yes, sir. It's more fun than it sounds, I promise.
You guys play it all?
I just found this place not long ago, and I just realized that it was a disc golf course, and then I checked it out, UDISC on the app,
Yep,
Yeah.
that's the one.
and I checked it out, and
Not only a course, but one of the nicer ones, in my opinion, for sure. And more challenging.
cool,
It's definitely one of the best in the area, I would say, in South Jersey for sure.
excellent.
Yeah.
So, how many discs do you use?
So
Preference.
Okay.
But,
this isn't my friend's bag, but this is mine.
I would
It's
think of it
similar
like
rules as golf. You
Okay.
Have you have a distance
Yep.
driver. You have a mid-range for medium
it's like
distance.
your irons, your 5.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's a heavier
and
weight.
a putter.
Yeah, and then you
Okay.
just have like a putter for like close distance, shoot for the basket.
And they're very accurate to their flight pattern.
But it really
They're-
depends
they're
on the
built
player,
well.
But you have to get the wrist action, all that
True,
shit
yeah,
down.
It's all about
Yeah.
form.
Technique.
Just like golf.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
have you ever played javelin growing
No,
up? You ever see anybody playing it?
no.
So with javelin, they do what's called an X step, and then they bring it across your chest and throw it. And a lot of people think that throwing the javelin is all about strength. It's not. It's really about the timing, the footwork, and just the smooth, fluid motion.
Yep.
You get a lot more distance that way.
Okay.
The smallest guys throw the furthest.
Really?
Somehow.
Yeah, they have good form.
Technique.
Yeah.
It's all about technique.
Mine would end up in the trees.
Well,
I would
you-
not.
Listen,
We
I
don't
all
have a
the
good
time.
I've
technique.
lost a lot of discs. I've tossed a
lost
lot
one
of them in
today.
this water, actually.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm all wet because I went swimming looking for it.
That's great.
I recommend trying it.
okay.
Yeah, I was thinking about it.
I think you should.
It'd be a good pastime, That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks, guys.
I came here, I guess, last weekend, and I walked all around the other way without the wifey here, and I saw some pretty cool holes, and
That's the other thing is, the game is played like taking a hike. You're just
Yeah.
out, in a beautiful park.
enjoying a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing about golf. Golf is a beautiful walk,
Absolutely.
destroyed by a little white ball.
A little less bugs, though, I'd say. A
Yeah,
lot more bugs out here by the water, especially.
A little more expensive too.
this is?
No, this is
Oh,
cheap.
for golf. Yeah.
Yeah, classic golf is a little above my social class.
Gotcha. Yeah, me too.
You guys have a good day.
All right, you too. Thanks for the info. You too.
Cool.
There you go.
Yeah. I will try it.
I can give you something to do,
Absolutely.
But this will go around, depending on which way you path you take. You can end up here,
Okay.
or you can keep going, or come back and keep going and go all the way around the lake on the other side.
Okay.
But where I made a mistake before is I went down over there. What's that?
Platform for the golf.
Oh yeah, that's a blue one.
Yeah.
I don't see any signage. They're probably, this is probably the T for 17, which was over there, which is where they were going. Another one over here.
Okay.
They're just all over the damn place. Doing great. And yourself? Awesome. Loving it. Loving it.
Not too hot,
Yeah.
That's right.
Have a great day.
You too.
Oh yeah.
So what do you think?
I like it.
I like it too. You can bring your fishing pole and go fishing.
Yep.
The last time I was here, there was a young kid and young girl that was over there fishing.
Yeah.
I asked him if they caught anything. He said, no, he didn't get, but she caught a bass. And she said there's bass, pickerel,
Wow.
and sunnies, and bluegills, and
You've been this way before?
yeah. Yeah, this is the first way I went. This is like the main
Okay.
route in. As far back as I'm going to take you for now.
Okay. Sounds good.
Cool.
Yep.
I'll take you over and let you see how good it is. Now you know why there's a whole bunch of mosquito strips. We're not going down.
Okay.
And when you go down, you got to go back up on the other side.
There's no rush. Take your time.
It's easier to get up fast, right?
Yeah.